Just left Commensal, picked up the high 9 wheels, still in a box and stuff like that. Gonna put them all together and install them on the bike here in a little bit. We're gonna go on a little ride and test them out. All right. Woo. All right, started off with the rear. Gotta put the Minesweeper on the tire and mount that, and then we'll do the front. What up, everyone? So it's the next morning. I finished the bike, got the front and rear wheel put on. I'm super excited. So yeah, going on the first ride on the wheels today. Gonna do a little review session this one trail called Deadass. It's a super fun trail here at Left Hand Canyon. Left Hand Canyon is one of my favorite places to ride here on the Front Range. It's steep, rocky, gnarly, fun, fast. Yeah, and the conditions of the ground are never the same, so it's always a challenge. But yeah, we're gonna get the bike, put some lube on the chain, and should be rolling up here in a second, and we can do some riding. And I'll kind of talk about how it feels compared to all the other wheels I've rode. All right, cool. I am super excited to ride. It's been a couple days with work, and I bruised my ribs last week, so I've been kind of trying to deal with that. That's not been fun, but it could be worse. It's just definitely not fun. But yeah, pretty stoked to ride today. Woo. Let's get the gear on and go shred the trails. So I wanted to do a little bike check, show you guys kind of what I'm riding. So I'm waiting for my Cane Creek fork. They're gonna customize the top crown to make it fit my geometry of this bike. So yeah, I got a Chromag seat. Got the KS Lev seat dropper, 175 millimeter. I have a Shimano drivetrain XC cassette, SLX cranks, SLX derailleur, and I have Shimano brakes, 4-piston SLX front and rear. Whew. And I got the ODI grips. This will kind of hit the ground a little bit. It's all right. Yeah. Then they got the DB Air on the rear. Love this shock. Cane Creek is rad. They make an awesome brand. And then yeah, just got the Industry 9 wheels. They are the Enduro S, the Hydra hubs. And also got the Renthal bar and stem, carbon. Woo! This is my bike. Oh yeah, and a soggy front tire and a DHR on the rear. Both are EXO protection with Minesweepers inserts. And then last but not least, I got the T-Mac pedals. And I really love these pedals. They're expensive, but they're worth it. And the AJ's Bikes and Boards in Florida water bottle. All right, y'all. Let's hit the trails. Start making the climb up. We're not gonna go to the very top today. We're gonna kind of lap this section that's in the middle. Just do a couple laps on that. Try to get some cool footage, and then just do a heater lap all the way down. Yeah, this mountain's pretty cool. You can ride 6-7 miles and get 2,000 feet easy. So it's definitely steep. All right, so we're dropping into the trailhead now. We got some little punchy technical climbs coming up here. So I'm curious to see how this 690 points of contact. Oh wow. Oh. It's just power's right there when you need it. To another little punchy section.
Woo! Yeah. Camera probably doesn't do this spot justice, but definitely a weird off-camera rock. All right, tune back in a minute when we get up to the top. All right, we made it to the top of this trail, so we're gonna lap this twice. First time down is gonna be just warming up, trying to get some cool shots, and then the second time down we're gonna pin it. But yeah, I'm really liking these i9 wheels. They are sick. All right, so let's drop in and yeah, show you guys this trail. Woo. All right, gonna drop in. All right, dropping into about a 9-foot step down. How's it going? All right, so that was a good little warm-up lap. Didn't try to go too hard. We're gonna let a little air out of the tires. Put a bunch in it from sealing the bead. So let a little air out, get a little more traction. Definitely super loose and dry today. So you don't have a lot of traction. You're just kind of drifting everywhere. But yeah, we're gonna climb back up and we're gonna do a hot lap down it. All right, y'all. All right, you guys. We're back in the top. Let a little air out of the front. Let's see how she does. I'm gonna do a lap all the way to the bottom. All right, let's drop in. Woo! Loosey goosey. Oh, oh, got a little offline right there, you guys. Everything's just so loose. It's cool when you go cranking out of the turn. It's just instant power. Whew. Oh yeah. Whew. 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 Yeah. Whew. Talk about a loose freaking ride today. A lot of fun though. These i9 wheels are awesome. I guess the final thoughts on them, they make you feel like your tire is wider. So you feel more stable. Like I said, anytime you're gonna pedal out of the corner, you're just right on the power. There's no like a little hesitation or anything, which really feels awesome. And yeah, feels super smooth, really low drag. I mean, just wants to go fast. Pretty stoked on the wheel build, and hope you guys like all the footage. Like, subscribe, and share. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Woo! Drop that seat and let her eat.